there were a lot of big cap tech stocks that are up an awful lot in the last year and continuing this year. So these tech companies represent such a giant part of the stock market. I'm going to share with you my opinion. Our society is much more technology driven. Our economy is much more driven by technology than anything else. It's not really driven so much anymore by manufacturing or banking or energy. So it makes sense that the economy would be more widely represented in the stock market. So when people say, oh, technology is too high and it's due for a fall, it's a really good way of reasoning if you believe we're going back to the 70s, 60s, or the 50s. But if you believe we're going to stay in 2024 and move forward, then I think it's a terrible way to look at it. Oh, technology's too big. Why? What crystal ball do you have? The last time this happened, technology came back and again became the biggest part of the stock market, and it's the biggest part of the economy. And it's an even bigger part of the economy than it was in the year 2000, which is 24 years ago.